Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simon, and this is my YouTube channel, Finding Simon, where we take you off the beaten path and make mistakes and learn as we go. Basically, it's supposed to be a travel channel. I've just been stuck here for a while. This will be my 800th video, and I've been on YouTube for over a decade now. I have an old tradition of sharing with y'all my favorite small channels every time I hit a landmark subscriber count. Now, I hit 45,000 almost 2 years ago, and whatever's going on at YouTube has meant that I've been locked in at 46,000 for a pretty long time. So since 50,000 might never come, I figured I'd celebrate 800 videos with you guys instead. And, you know, it's Christmas. So let's get into it. 8 YouTube channels I'm regularly inspired by that have less subscribers than me. So right out the gate, Flossy Rocks. Now, Flossy shows up in my videos a bunch, and they're a constant ray of sunshine. A nomad Kiwi, Flossy's channel is an unfiltered look at living nomadically in the 21st century in a van. They do a ton of foraging and spearfishing and do their best to live off the land like the nomads of old, while still working remotely like your 21st century wage slave. I especially love Flossy's realness though. They're not shy about sharing in intimate thoughts and feelings that come with the inherent instability of nomadic life and all its ups and downs. Plus, if y'all don't already know, I've hired Flossy to edit these videos, so if you like what you've seen, well, you've been seeing their work, so you might as well give them a sub. Next up is Kai and the Ugly Truckling. Kai is huge on TikTok, but she's criminally underfollowed on YouTube. She lives in her homemade Ugly Truckling in the woods, an absolute beauty, Studio Ghibli type of creation. Kai is an impressive woodworker creating gorgeous features across her truck, and she's regularly showing off BC's wild forests and mountains and islands, reminding me not to take my backyard for granted. So far it's all shorts, which has really brought up the quality of shorts on YouTube, but hopefully we'll be graced with some longer form videos in the future. So give her a sub and let her know you want some longer videos. Okay, next is Chris, PNW Samson. He's a local freediver showing off BC's waters, some spearfishing and adventuring. His videos keep an energetic pace that's balanced with his smooth narration. The variety of landscape below the waves he's able to show is really something to behold. Besides, he's doing all of this freediving, which is nuts to me. Plus, he's often harvesting some sort of seafood and cooking in beautiful places, and every episode I'm watching, I'm pushing myself to dive more. Especially since most of the spots that he shows are just a short drive from where I am right now. It's a beautiful channel to sub. Okay, let's get to some sailors. We'll start off with Sailing Sitka. I met Jay recently, but Jay and Kina are criminally underfollowed. I can't understand this. They've put up AAA sailing videos every single week and are somehow only at 5,000 subscribers. I cannot fathom the frustration of working this hard for this long and still being at 5,000. Their videos are awesome. They're way more character than the plenty of the white plastic boats with white plastic people with 100 times their following. A couple of hard-working Canadians on a Choi Lee sailing some of the best waters in the world. It is awesome. Go give them a sub. Okay, next up, SV Bully. Okay, this is the smallest channel on the list, and they're already 40 episodes in, and sailing the Pacific in a Vagabond 47. So for those of you who don't know, a Vagabond is another Bill Garden design, also built in the Formosa shipyards in Taiwan. She's essentially the little sister to my boat Perihelion, a Formosa 51. So I greedily drink up updates about Bully as I plan to sail Perry to many of the same places. It's impressive to see what Bully can do, especially when you see that there's a family of 7 living on that boat. I get itchy feet every time I watch an episode, and I'm sure you will too. So go give him a sub and get this channel past just 1,100 subscribers. Okay, so I did lie. Remember when I said Bully was the smallest channel? This is weird. SV Seeker has 1,000 subs. Yeah, he lost his channel recently and is starting from scratch again. I'm sure most of you know Doug and have seen plenty of his videos on SV Seeker, but in case you've been living under a rock for ages, Doug built this boat from the ground up in his yard in Tulsa. He managed to get this massive boat into the Gulf of Mexico and has started his sailing journey. The boat is an amazing floating workshop and a direct reflection of Doug. His open and no-nonsense attitude. Doug's been a pillar of the sailing YouTube community for ages, always lifting the people around him and fostering an amazing community. He's promised to tell the story of how he got kicked from YouTube eventually, but for now, let's just follow his tiny little channel that could use a few more subs. Another sailor, but not a cruiser, is Joe from Joyrider TV. Now, I've been shouting him out in the past. He's just a guilty pleasure of mine. I love this channel. He's been racing catamarans and monohulls on beautiful islands in Greece for quite a while. These are small boats, but it's still exciting. His channel is 18 years old and has over 1,000 videos on it. And the videos are simultaneously high energy, thanks to the live narration notes that Joe brings, and relaxing from the visuals of the fast-moving sailboats on crystal clear waters. Whether I'm trying to learn or just have some sort of soothing sailing on in the background, his channel is definitely worth a sub. Okay, last on the list, it's the infamous Sailor Barely. Okay, Sailor Barry requires no introduction, and you've seen Barry and Haley on my channel a bunch over the last couple of years. So please, give them a follow, if for nothing else other than you get a little bit more of little old me, because I'm regularly on their videos. They're climbing steadily, and I'm sure they'll surpass my sub count soon, but for now, Barry is taking his time to focus exclusively on his YouTube this winter, so you can expect a lot more from him this year. Alright, so that's my Christmas list. 8 people that you guys should follow, including these guys over here. So please, I'll leave a link in the description to all of those channels. You guys have a fantastic Christmas. See you in the new year.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Also, I have to say, I'm super honored
No,
to be in
we're
the list.
cutting it out.
Doug Jackson.
Get out of here.
And sailing Sitka and Flossy.
We
Hell
love
yeah.
you.